So yesterday we had no plans, and this morning I'm at the airport. We're going to Vegas. Had to come from work, said I had a rough day, and she wanted to go to Vegas, and I said, you don't have to tell me twice. So yesterday around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, flight this morning, we're at the airport. See you in Vegas.
Okay, go ahead.
What's up?
What are you doing?
Alright, we're at the airport, we're going to Las Vegas. Because yesterday Heather had a bad day at work.
It wasn't a bad day at work. I was just tired and stressed.
Oh, she was tired, so she sent me a text. Book a trip for Vegas tomorrow. And you know me, I'm like, you don't have to tell me twice. So we booked it yesterday, got here early this morning. Unfortunately, the flight was delayed for 3 hours because of this. Yeah. That's a man climbing in the engine because apparently they hit some birds or something and they had to go in there and they had to send in the wolf, the cleanup crew. Comment below if you know the reference.
You're Jimmy, right? This is your house?
Sure is.
How much the wolf? Just on properties. Good.
Send in the wolf. Someone commented that we eat at fancy restaurants and we shouldn't eat at McDonald's on the way to Vegas. So today we had this. That's right. Shake Shack. Shake Shack. So, and they're very excited to have Shake Shack. They have one at the Cleveland Airport in Ohio. So we're gonna get on this bird. Hopefully we won't hit any birds. We'll get to Vegas and make it happen.
Pack your bags, 'cause we're heading way out west to the city that never takes a rest. Dawn and Heather, we're gonna have a blast in the neon lights where the memories last. From the strip to downtown, we'll explore it all, sharing every moment, big and small. Vegas vlogs, watch us take on the town. With every video, the excitement's found. Make it happen with Dawn, hey yeah. Dawn and Heather living life without a care. We're chasing dreams, gonna hit that super grand. With every jackpot, making memories grand. Make it happen with Dawn, hey yeah. Dawn and Heather living life without a care.
We made it.
We made it.
We're back at the Palazzo. We're gonna head to Yardbird, see if we get a table, get some chicken, watermelon, waffles.
Yep. Something like that.
Very excited about this. All right, our flight was delayed for 3 hours, so it was a rough start, but it's okay. They had an engine problem. It's better to find out there's a problem when you're on the ground than find out there's a problem when you're up in the air. Yardbird.
Finger licking good, Granny.
Don has officially eaten majority of the food. And he says, I can't stop.
Feel free.
I'm waiting for you to get your pictures.
Oh, you did.
I'm exhausted.
All right. Yardbird.
Super tired. Delicious.
Yardbird was amazing.
Go ahead, you do your thing and I'll...
We got way too much food. I ate all of it. The chicken is unbelievable. The appetizer, the fried green tomatoes with the pork belly was mac and cheese, the biscuits,
The deviled eggs.
the deviled eggs, the waffles.
Service was great. I'm tired.
I think Yardbird is an unsung hero.
I agree. Definitely check it out. You okay?
Oh, I am now. It's a unsung hero, the Yardbird. So go to the Yardbird. We got some folks back behind us giggling.
Right?
But if I was in Vegas, I'd giggle. Wait a minute. I am in Vegas.
Stop it.
All right, we're heading over to the Palazzo.
Yes.
See what we can do over here. Let's walk down the
I want to
middle.
play the chicken game.
You want to watch what?
Play the chicken game.
The
Right
chicken.
inside the door.
Crazy chickens. The love sign is in full effect. Lots of flowers for the springtime.
It's beautiful.
Gelato is delicious. Not doing too good on the slots, but it's about to turn around. Go to the left.
I'll take a picture.
All right. The old gondola. Look at it, two-seater, just for us. All right, we're gonna go in there and see what we can do. Hopefully we can make it happen. What's wrong?
Chicken.
Crazy birds are full. All right, what do we got for breakfast or brunch tomorrow? Bouchon.
Yes.
Bouchon for breakfast. All right, we'll see you in a bit. All right, I got a wheel. A double poppage. $3. Oh. Start feature. We didn't want to start feature yet. All right, make it happen. 8 spins. Okay, those are $10 mini, $30 minor, $279 major, 9,500 grand. Let's go. Oh. $38. One more bit of major. Give me a blue one. Blue. Two more spins. $56 Sando. That was disappointing. I'll bring it back if I get some. Again, we got the wheel. Alright, +2 free games. That's a good start. Do it again. Alright, $3. $5 and start the feature. Alright, we got 7 free games. Let's see what happens here. Oh, that was good. $33. Oh, Dragon Time. $30. Some jacks for 20. Queens for 6. 3 more spins. Alright, here's the last one, guys. Alright, $100. I'll take it. Cheers. Alright, we got 13 picks. Let's get that. Something good, huh? Get a picker. Go ahead. $108. Nice picking. Not your nose. Look at that. Special bonus. And there it is. Boom. Make it happen. Alright, we got a wheel. I love a wheel. Five-time wheel. Thank you, lady. Alright, here we go. Go ahead, honey. Give that spinner. What do you mean, oh no? You're great at this. What does she hold? What's that green thing she's holding? Get over it. Get over it. Oh my gosh, it does that every time. $9 plus 2 spins. Alright, you did good there, honey. Do it again. Come on, get a progressive now. Get over it. Get over that. Get over that. Oh, okay. Are you going to pick them?
Sorry, love.
I got ×2. Send the purple peach. Okay. $8. Do it. All right, do better. Last one wasn't as good as last time. $20. Okay, guys, that's going to wrap up another vlog. That was a first day of an impromptu trip that we took. Unfortunately, our flight was delayed a few hours, so we didn't get in there till later. And as we are on travel day, we were a little bit tired, so we enjoyed dinner at Yardbird, and it was fantastic. Like I said, unsung hero in Las Vegas. I can't describe how good the chicken is there. Like, you think it's just chicken, but it's just amazing. So Yardbird was fantastic. We got some pretty good slot play in. We had a great time, and we're getting ready for next vlog, day 2. It's going to be a little bit better, a lot more content, because we're going to be all rested and ready to go. But if you like this video, go ahead and click hit the thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love all of our subscribers. Live your blessed life because you're blessed. Check out the subscriber slideshow. And before I go, let me tell you, website is live, Makeithappenwithdon.com. If you want to get your Live Lucky Make It Happen with Don hat, go on there, click on the shop button, add one to your cart, and check out. And I'd love to send you out a hat. So thanks for watching. We love you all, and we will see you next Monday to make it happen.
It's a brand new day. Let's make some magic. Come with me. We're on a journey. We're on a ride. Together we'll conquer and reach new heights. Make it happen, make it loud. We're unstoppable, we're so proud. With every like and every share, our subscribers show that they care. Make it happen, come on and sing. With hearts of gold, we're spreading our wings. You're the reason we're having fun. We love all our subscribers, each and every one. From east to west, across the globe, our channel's growing, don't you know? You're the stars that light up our screen. You inspire us, make our dreams gleam. Make it happen, make it loud. We're unstoppable, we're so proud. With every like and every share, our subscribers show that they care. Make it happen, come on and sing. With hearts of gold, we're spreading our wings. You're the reason we're having fun. We love all our subscribers, each and every one. From east to west, across the globe, our channel's growing, don't you know?